This is getting used to the new CRM. Whenever you first log in, you can navigate over here in the left-hand side column. If you go to the CRM, you can see your tasks or any deals or contacts or leads pending on your CRM. You're getting some of the notifications for some of your emails. But one important feature that it has is whenever you go to your profile and then you go to passwords, then forwarding address, you can actually you can copy this particular email address, and it is a funny looking email address, but it automatically creates a task within your Bittrex. So you can blind copy on any email that you produce. If you want to produce a task, you can just either copy this email. Each employee has a different email. In this case, I would say something like this. If I write an email and I wanna email support at Ensurity Group, and I wanna copy that weird looking email, that's my email. It will produce a task and you don't have to do it with every email, but you can do it with the email with an email that you know that you're going to have to follow up into the future. It'll automatically produce a task. So I'm just going to send that, but that's your email. Each employee's got their own. The other one of the other features, as you're filling out your profile, go ahead and click edit. Make sure that you have all your date of birth, everything completely filled out, so we can find you and connect with you within the CRM, and everybody can see yourself. Yes, as you can see, I already have an email telling me that I have a task. And this is probably the task email that I just sent out. Yes, I sent it in my Outlook. I have another notification. As you can see, you can turn the notifications on or off as you're getting emails. But in this particular email that I sent, I can actually add an employee or delegate this to an employee or to a team member. And you can create subtask or delete it or complete it. So I'm just going to click finish over here. So showing that it's been completed. But if I needed to follow up into the future, I could have edit that and put in a later date. Thank you.